Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: exquisite, very beautiful and delicate. Synonyms: beautiful, lovely, elegant, graceful, adorable, polished, refined, perfect. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: ordinary, ugly, unrefined, careless, dull, horrible, flawed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: look at this exquisite painting. Another example can be given: she has exquisite taste. Catastrophic, a sudden event that causes very great trouble or destruction. Synonyms: disastrous, fatal, ruinous, tragic, cataclysmic, calamitous. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: blessed, fortunate, happy, successful, advantageous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: losing his job was a financial catastrophe for his family. Elusive, difficult to find, catch or remember. Synonyms: evasive, slippery, subtle, tricky, volatile, ambiguous, fleeting, puzzling. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: definite, stable, understandable, attractive, enticing, intelligible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: success, however, remained elusive for him. Another example can be given: even to his acute sense of hearing, the sound was too elusive. Tout, convince or persuade people to buy goods or services. Synonyms: praise, proclaim, promote, tip, urge, publicize, boost, glorify, laud, trumpet. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: blame, condemn, conceal, hide, discourage. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: there were hundreds of taxis at the airport, all touting for business. Another example can be given: he is being widely touted as the next leader of the party. Predominant, more noticeable or important than others, or having superior strength. Synonyms: foremost, grand, greatest, superior, dominating, main. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: least, inferior, minor, trivial, unimportant, subordinate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in this board the predominant color is blue, right? Upbringing, a particular way of bringing a child or parenting. Synonyms: raising, bringing up, training, fostering, breeding, nurture. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: adulthood, maturity, inelegance, disheartenment, inexperience. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: your parents' upbringing is totally different to mine. Rapid, fast, quick or sudden, happening at a short time or at a great rate. Synonyms: speedy, swift, express, hasty, active, lightning, hurried. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: delayed, slow, sluggish, tardy, languishing, leisurely. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: there has been a rapid change in the world economy due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Ultimate, final or most important. Synonyms: eventual, closing, end, extreme, furthermost, terminal, conclusive, most significant. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: beginning, first, lowest, extra, introductory, secondary, inessential, least. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I will reach my ultimate goal of becoming a scientist. Apparent, easy to see or understand, clearly visible or obvious. Synonyms: seeming, evident, visible, outward, observable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unlikely, doubtful, unclear, equivocal, ambiguous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his happiness was apparent from the smile on his face. Another example can be given: it was a moonless night and many stars were apparent. Interpret, to explain what something means or translate. Synonyms: explain, define, clarify, convert, decipher, illustrate, portray. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: obscure, confuse, misinterpret, misunderstand, mystify. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the man interpreted what his colleague was trying to say. Cacophony, an unpleasant mixture of loud sounds. Synonyms: discord, dissonance, noise, roar, harshness, bluster. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calm, hush, silence, serenity, lull, tranquility, still, quiet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: as we entered the zoo, we were met with cacophony of animal sounds. Tedious, causing weariness, restlessness, or lack of interest. Synonyms: boring, monotonous, exhausting, laborious, uninteresting, tiresome. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: easy, eventful, exciting, fabulous, sensational, energizing, entertaining. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: learning a new computer program can be a tedious process. Contemplate, to think about something seriously for a period of time. Synonyms: foresee, intend, envisage, ponder, consider, think of, mull. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: neglect, reject, forget, ignore, disregard, look away, scorn, discard. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: before taking any decision, take some time and contemplate the consequence of your actions. Texture, the way something feels when you touch it. Synonyms: feel, quality, character, pattern, sense, touch, smoothness, structure. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: rough, disorganization, lot, unevenness, variability, imprecise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the texture of the cloth material was very soft and smooth. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.